Hello friends, welcome with Knowledge Extension. Today in this video, we're gonna see is it necessary to learn public speaking, which is a very important part. And we also provide the classes related to the same topic, and I feel that's a very important part. So here we come. First, to win over the crowd. An important skill to have in business and especially in the public relation arena is the skill of persuasion or the ability to win over the crowd. Inside and outside the workplace, the power of persuasion can carry you far, and it also starts by owning those public skills. Second, to motivate people. A great public speaker attains the power to motivate his or her audience to do something, stop doing something, chance a behavior, or reach objectives. But to carry an idea forward, you must be able to excite and enliven your peers, employees, co-workers, customers. Third, to inform. The ability to inform is one of the most important aspects of public speaking. From presenting research paper and PowerPoint presentation, informative public speaking is a virtual component of a successful career across all work fields. Once you have their attention, a good informative speech sharing your knowledge of an object with an audience enhances their understanding and makes them remember your words long after you've finished. Fourth, a good option for science students. For those hoping to enter in the field of science, there are few languages as useful as English to master. Fifth, increase your professional network. As you speak in more public settings such as work events and conferences, you will undoubtedly meet other speakers in your field as well as audience members who are interested in what you have to say. Please, if you're liking our videos, do not forget to subscribe our channel, and you can contact us if you wanted to take any classes. We would be sharing a lot of free sessions which you can learn in our classes so that you can stay tuned, and we would be happy to help you out for online classes where we take one-to-one classes. Thank you so much for watching this video.